hustler, I use my brain as a tool. I don't do the hard work, I just do the smart work.
What up, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Hustle. Back with your boy TQ2. What it do? Hope y'all doing well. You know, it's looking like a good weekend right now. One question I want to ask is, who let the Bulls out, guys? Who? 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 Who let the Bulls out? Cause it's going crazy, man. Market is looking beautiful. We all in the green. If we could see, look at crypto market today. We at 388 billion. What? Shout out the people then putting in the money inside the thing, making your hustle, investing, you know what I'm saying? Because it looks like we ain't seeing these low prices back again. That was a big opportunity. If you got in on that huge dip or that huge crash that we were going through, whatever you want to call it, correction for a couple of days, shit, I was picking up more crypto than ever, bro. I was just looking at that as a buying opportunity. Whenever I see things in the red, it's a buying opportunity for me because I know for sure I believe in crypto and I know it's gonna go back up. So like, that's what I'm saying, man. Stupid, man. Somebody let the bulls out, and the market is is in a rush. It's in a rush. It's like a gold rush right now. Green everywhere. Green anywhere. Let's see the 24 winners, 24-hour winners, and for all Bitcoin is has the biggest gains of the day, 31%. Just in a day, guys. Just in a day, 17% Bitcoin Gold. This is a real low one. People are getting in on this, and you hold that. That shit can go up to like $300, $400. Like these coins are still low from their all-time highs, which is crazy. If you could check out their all-time highs, you could predict where it's gonna go back. Especially Neo. Neo came back from like a super low price, like around $40. It's almost back at over 100%. Big gains, man, big gains. Ripple's moon shooting. You know what I'm saying? Big gains all over, man. It's like you could just literally put your money in any one of these coins and still make gains. That's what it was looking like. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is looking like, actually, because a lot of these coins are back from their all-time lows. Fuck. All of my favorite projects are going up, and they can't be stopped. Yeah, the market is going good, man. Looking beautiful. Almost at 40 billion, coming back from a low of like 260 billion. And a volume of 15 billion, 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance at 42%. Going low, looks like the altcoins are getting pumped, and Bitcoin dominance is getting a little bit lower. We might possibly see it go low like we did in December to January. Bitcoin dominance was less than 40%, and altcoins were just like booming, 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 booming. Altcoins went from like 3 cents to over $1 in 2 months. 2 months, fam. 2 months, fam. Like that's crazy gains. Like that's X. Like fuck. I don't even know how to explain it. It's a dopamine in your head when you watching shit like that. You just seeing it go up. But I never sold off at that point. I'm trying to hold on. I just probably took a little bit of gains, but still trying to hold on because the big gains are yet to come. It's one of my favorite projects, Cardano. I have a lot of holding positions, but we're gonna go into some good news. There's a lot of good news. I don't know if you guys know about Tim Draper. Tim Draper, the Bitcoin self-made billionaire. This guy is predicting Bitcoin to reach $250,000 per Bitcoin by the year 2020. If you guys don't know about Tim Draper, I'll give you a little short review of this man. This man, I don't know if you guys heard about Silk Road back in the like couple of years back when they got shut down. This guy bought bitcoins that were confiscated by the law, and he bought them at an auction. Those times when Bitcoin was cheaper, and yeah, he bought all those bitcoins at the auction when that Silk Road website for trading drugs and contraband guns and a whole bunch of illegal shit got shut down, and the Bitcoin just got auctioned off at a police auction. And he bought it, and yeah, you could know where that move went from there, this guy became a billionaire self-made just by making a smart choice. So, and he's been known to be predicting a lot of Bitcoin's price predictions accurately. So whatever his prediction says holds weight because a lot of the time it actually comes true. So that's big news coming from him. And he's a big face in the crypto space. So we'll read this. After investment tycoon Tim Draper said earlier this week that Bitcoin BTC could hit 250,000 by 2022. CNBC's Fast Money Brian Kelly has supported this prediction in a CNBC interview from yesterday, in April 13th. In response to a question about Tim Draper's high prediction, Kelly responded that although it sounds crazy when one considers that Bitcoin already had 4,000% return in over 2 years. Sounds sounds crazy, right? 2,000, 4,000% in 2 years. Like, you don't even make that in the stock market. 3,000% return over 4 years could be a continuation of a trend we've seen. Kelly continues by noting an increase of institutionalized money into the crypto sphere. Rockefeller VC arm, a Goldman Sachs executive, and Soros funding management may dampen the volatility of cryptocurrencies, making them easier to use as actual currencies and making it take 4 years rather than two to reach Draper's suggested 2022 price point. So what this article is basically saying is that, the big fat big money bag investors are gonna make it less volatile when they dip into the market and actually get into some of these investments, making cryptocurrencies less volatile and more stabilized like the traditional stock market. Because yeah, traditional stock market goes but doesn't just like move from like such high percentages so quick. Like sometimes it might even take a year for a stock to make 100%. In cryptocurrencies, we see like 300% in a couple of days, depending on the type of stock you in, like or investment. I treat cryptocurrencies like stock investments because kind of like the same fundamentals to me. So right now, the most common use case for cryptocurrency, in Kelly's opinion, is citizens in countries where unreliable governments or banking systems, after being questioned by a friend as to why anyone would risk losing 20% or more with a cryptocurrency investment. Kelly said that he has responded, well, listen, it's better than losing 100% of your assets are seized by a rogue government. Oh, that's a nice little twist. When asked about how Fundstrat's Tom Lee's analysis of crypto sell-off before a tax day being a reason for the market's downswing, since the new year can be reconciled with the fact that it's about 2/3 of the cryptocurrency's market value are in Asia. So that's big. 2/3 of the whole market is being pumped by Asia. I mostly say Korea because Korea is very big on cryptocurrencies. So is Japan. China still has their little regulation issues, but hopefully that gets smoothed out as time goes by, and thus unaffected by U.S. tax day. Kelly referred to tax selling off as just a fuel on top of the market trend. According to Kelly, the parabolic run, as well as decreased transactions, as well as the Mt. Gox sell-off, are all contributed to the market's past downward swing. The key point of Bitcoin to reach $250,000 by 2020 or 225,000 by 2018 is for transaction volume to increase, according to Kelly. The number of transactions catch up a bit, and I do think we bottomed here, and I do think we got a sustainable bull run ahead of us. This week, crypto hedge fund Pantera Capital predicted that BTC will reach 20,000 again by the end of this year, as of the 6,500 mark was a probable bottom. So, going back to the coin market cap, kick that price, you dig, you know what I'm saying? Bitcoin at 8,300, you dig, that's what's popping. About 5 billion trading volume. Holy shit. Yeah, it's looking beautiful. So you go on the chart about 7 days. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, we see right here is at like 7K, you dig? And we dip down to like 665, 6700. You know what I'm saying? You know, boom, 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 and slap, clap, thunderclap. Man, now we at 7600. You know what I'm saying? Going up, 8K, teasing it, teasing it up, bam. You know, and now we at new highs. You know, since we've seen it a long time, and it's looking real beautiful right now. When Bitcoin goes up, looks like everything goes up. So you know it affects the market, and we're hoping to see even more. It's been a while since we see numbers like this before, so it's really good. It's looking real good. That's what the market is basically saying. Um, I hope you guys still got your favorite coins. I don't know if we're gonna see another crash, but yeah, that's what the market is saying, and it's only been going up. It's been trending since like a week ago. We've been trending in an upward position, so it looks like we've gotten out of the bearish trap. So we're going into the green light. As you can see, we're dipping like see that like 250, 260 billion. We just basically got over 60 billion in a few days. Just like that. Like look at that rise. Look at that rise. Look at that rise. It looks so beautiful. And now we up here. The market cap used to be at like about 800 billion, so we're trying to see $1 trillion this year. That's what I'm thinking. I'm very optimistic on that number, so um, we'll keep it up to that. I can see the market being at 1 trillion, and even at 1 trillion, these prices are very low. So yeah, man, do your own due diligence and when you're invested and check it out. You know, you got to do your research. If you don't do your research, you don't know the direction. You might not know the direction the company's going in, whether it's shit or not, whether it's a good, you know, fundamental idea that's gonna solve some sort of issue in the real world that could be applied. So yeah, do that. And thank you for watching Crypto Hustle again with your boy TQ2. Much love to you guys. Subscribe, like, show some love. I appreciate it. Smash that like button. I need to see some likes. Keeps me motivated making more videos out like this. So that's all I'm gonna leave it. Have a good night, y'all. Peace.